Hey! I'm your Quizbuoy! Let's play Guess the Sound Challenge. Can you guess 50 common sounds? Alright, let's get started. Guess the sound. A cat meowing. A baby crying. Can you guess this sound? A car engine starting. Easy one. A dog barking. A doorbell ringing. A telephone ringing. Can you guess this one? A clock ticking. A rooster crowing. A cow mooing. How about this one? A bird chirping. Rain falling. Thunder rumbling. I think this one is easy. A balloon popping. A train whistle blowing. Can you guess this sound? A helicopter flying. Keep going! A lion roaring. A camera shutter clicking. Guess the sound. A typewriter typing. A siren wailing. A heart beating. Time is ticking. Waves crashing on the shore. A flute playing. An owl hooting. A frog croaking. Can you guess this sound? A horse neighing. A baby laughing.
Flight service in International Bahamas. Flight down International today is going to be 16 minutes. We ask you to please remain seated all time.
An airplane announcement.
Flight service in International Bahamas. Flight down
Footsteps on gravel. Can you guess this one? A door creaking open. A blender blending. A drum beating. A wind chime ringing. A dolphin squeaking. Hit the like button if you know this one. A mouse squeaking. A monkey chattering. A vacuum cleaner running. A bit trickier one. A fire crackling. A cowbell ringing. A snake hissing. A whistle blowing. A bell ringing. A toilet flushing. dropping. A skateboard rolling. Can you guess this one? A zipper zipping. A toothbrush brushing. A match being struck. Guess the sound. A coin dropping. A peacock call. Can you guess this sound? A saxophone playing. Ready for your next challenge? Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing quizzes. Thanks for watching!